Okay, today we are going to be working on Math 3-2 logarithms. It's going to be test 1. Okay. The graphs of two functions are shown, y equals f of x, y equals g of x. The range of the functions y equals f of x is going to be it appears as though we have a vertical asymptote or a horizontal asymptote right here at y equals 0 or y equals 7. Okay, so our range should be y is less than 7. Because it can't be equal then, because then it wouldn't be an asymptote anymore. The function p of t equals log negative t is used to find the pH of a solution, where t represents the solution's concentration of hydronium ion in moles per liter, and p represents the pH of acids as low as 0 to bases as high as 14. The domain of this function okay. I'm assuming that it is going to be is t is greater than or equal to 0. Yeah, I think so. Written as a single logarithm, the expression 2 log ax minus 3 log ay plus 4 log az is going to be, okay, so we're going to have log ax squared minus log ay cubed plus log az to the fourth. So this is going to be this, so it's going to be x squared divided by y cubed, and then we're going to plus, so it's going to be times z to the fourth log a. Okay. Looks like we got b here. Evaluate log 10 to 0.265, round to one decimal place. So we're just going to put this into our calculator. Log 0.265 bracket. Okay, and it's going to give us negative 0.58. So that's going to be negative 6. Negative 0.6. Okay, the value of log 625 divided by, so to do this, basically you're just going to do log 625 divided by log 25. Okay. Log 625 divided by log 25 equals 2. Express this in logarithmic form. What's our formula sheet for that? Math 30-2 formula sheet. Okay. Y equals a of x. And go back and forth with x equals log a to the y. Okay, so what do we have for the question? We have 2 equals 16 to the 1/4. Okay, so our 1/4 is x, so it'll be 1/4 equals log Our a is 16 and our y is 2. Okay, so it's going to be 1/2 equals 16 to 2. There we go. Written as a single logarithm, the expression 3 log a5 plus 3a6. Okay, so let's do this out. Okay, so log a5 to the 3 plus log a6 minus log a10 to the second minus log a25 to the 1/2. Okay, so these can be plus, so it's going to be log a, so I don't see why we can't do this. It's 5 to the third. Okay, so it's going to be 125 times 6 divided by 10 squared is going to be 100, 100, and then 25 to the 25 to the 1/2, to the 1/2. I believe that's just going to be 5. Yep. Okay, so this is going to be 5. Okay, and can we reduce this? 125 divided by 100 divided by 4. Okay, so this can be reduced to 5 divided by 4 times 6 times 5. So get rid of the 5s. And then we can reduce this down to 3 divided by 2. And that is going to be our answer, D. Culture of bacteria grows from 25 cells to 89,425 cells in 75 hours. Was a tripling period of the bacteria. Okay, so our formula is going to be y equals a times bx. Okay, let's go back here. Our y is going to equal 89,425. Our a is going to equal 245. This is our original value, and this is what our output value is. Our x is going to be 75. And we're looking for we've got our b, which is 3. And we're going to divide by our, I guess, tripling period. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, so let's divide by 245. 245. 89,425 divided by 245 equals 365 equals 375 p. Okay, and then we'll do our formula here, which is going to be equal log a to the y. Okay, so our x is going to go 75 divided by p equals log 365 divided by log 3. Okay, log 365 divided by log 3. Okay, that's going to equal 5.37, 75 and p, so times by p, divided by 5.37, 37, divided by 0.37, and P is going to equal 75 divided by our answer. It's going to be 13.97, let's say. Okay, and that's our answer right there. To begin solving the equations, 3 to the x minus 2 equals 4 to the x minus 2. Express both with common base. Take a logarithm both sides, express both sides in exponential form, divide both sides by 3, and then subtract the exponents. To me, it makes the most sense to take a logarithm of both sides. And then we can get both our x minus 2 down. Yeah. See if that's right. The function p of t equals negative log. Find pH, did this before. Domain of the function. Is this the same question? What they really mean is the range of the question. Okay. So our range should be 0 to 14. You can equal both. Because we go from 0 to 14. Our range is going to be y, which is this p of t. Okay, 9 out of 10. Conclusion, hydrogen ions must be greater than 0. Okay. Okay. Basically, we can't have a 0 concentration is what I'm guessing. Okay. So that is everything for this unit. Thanks for watching.